And he talked about Chennai. So let's give you a glimpse of what's happening at the Chennai airport. This is a report.
There's massive confusion and chaos in Chennai airport as many Indigo flights that are supposed to fly to and from Chennai airport have been either inordinately delayed or cancelled, leaving thousands of passengers just stuck here anxious about their travel plans. There's confusion everywhere. Queues are only getting longer and longer. In fact, passengers have now also started asking for refunds, fearing full cancellations of their flights. In fact, some passengers also told us that the front desk people are now trying to delay the refund so that they can make the passengers wait here inordinately, not giving them any updates. That seems to be the main complaint of passengers. The fact at this point there's just complete uncertainty. Passengers are trying to get through to Indigo. They are trying to, call in their toll-free numbers and check in their websites. But unfortunately, even their website is not getting updated on time. It's only after coming here that the security tells them that their flight is cancelled. This seems to be the kind of anxious situation with absolutely zero communication for passengers who are flying Indigo. And the main reason seems to be because of operational reasons. The passengers are only asking one question. It's okay even if the flights are delayed or cancelled, but why not give us prior communication? Why not notify us so that our travel time, our efforts of coming here would have been saved? We would have made alternate travel plans. Why were we kept in dark and not really given timely updates by Indigo is what all the passengers who are flying Indigo airline are asking. They're only hoping that this entire situation gets streamlined, and many of them really do want to get home on time. With camera person Daniel, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Chennai Airport.
All right, so that was the situation at the Chennai airport. Like we said, the worst hit are the metros because they, of course, have the maximum traffic. And remember, when Indigo gets impacted, the entire aviation sector in India gets impacted. They have at least 60 to 65% of flight operations in the country. That's the impact one airline has, and that's the reason why the entire country was taking to take Indigo, go somewhere, be with someone, emergency, something good, something bad, all of that has now come to a halt. I'm told I have a caller with me. Anaga from Chennai is with us, or I'm just going to confirm if... All right, we have a reporter joining us from the Chennai airport. Anaga, go ahead and tell us what's been happening there.
Well, in fact, Sonal, like you rightly put it, we all know that the Indigo flights have been cancelled today, all domestic flights, but the people who are standing over there, they've been standing there since morning. They really have no idea that their flights have been cancelled. They are just standing there hoping and waiting for their flights to turn up. I also have with me one such flyer. Her flight was scheduled at around 9 o'clock today from Chennai to Pune. Ma'am, take us through what happened today with you.
So my flight was at 9:40. I received a message at 3:30 a.m. in the morning saying, we are pleased to, we are looking forward to take you in the flight, blah, blah, blah. So I thought, okay, my flight is there. So I travel, I come here to the airport early in the morning. 7:15 was inside. Nothing, they didn't say anything. So everything is done. I go inside. The board, it did not update my flight. Then it kept changing, okay, the name came up. Indigo side, like customer care is not working. The chat bot isn't working. There is no ground staff, nobody, nothing. Even the crew was standing with us looking at those boards, And then the timings just changed from 9:40 to 10:20, 11:30, 12:50 till 3 o'clock. And there was no communication. We were waiting like, okay, probably the flight is going to take off or something. And then there was one person, we go there. And then she says, ma'am, every flight is cancelled. You please give your PNR. And then I give my PNR. And in the reservations, people say there's going to be no flights till December 9th. But there is no communication inside. My entire day is wasted.
Indigo officials told you no flights till December 9th?
There are reservation in the reservation counter where the Indigo staff is there who are taking our PNR numbers. Okay. That person is saying there's no rescheduling because there is no flights till 9th of December. because I was supposed to fly back from Pune tomorrow night in Indigo flight. I was like, ma'am, your PNR is not gonna work because there's no flights till December 9th.
So for how many hours were you made to wait without any communication, ma'am?
Like at 7:15, I was inside. I came out after like around 3ish, and that too, there is no communication from their side.
8 hours.
Yeah, and I had to come and ask them, hey, what is happening?
Right.
And then that female says, ma'am, it's all cancelled. I said, but the board is not yet. Still, if you see, the Pune flight is just they're changing the timings. It still says security. It doesn't say it's cancelled.
That's very true. I also want to show you over here, if I can request my camera person to pan the board over there that the passenger was just mentioning. All Indigo flights, they are saying that it is still in security check, very unupdated, giving a lot of hope for these passengers who are standing here and waiting for their flights to arrive. But the reality is that it's unupdated. All Indigo domestic flights operating out of Chennai airport for today stands cancelled. But the boards are not updated, leaving a lot of passengers over here waiting in hope, out of despair and desperation, waiting for their flights to arrive here, only so they can make it to their homes on time.
It was the Chennai airport, but here every hour I spent, I'm hearing more and more horror stories. Joining me is another passenger. Ma'am, please tell me your name first.
Jyoti Shukla,
Jyoti ji, आप यहाँ पर हैं. You have a kid. He's 5.
5 years old, yes.
How long have you been at the airport?
It's more than 24 hours.
Wow, 24 घंटे हो गए. What are you doing? There is no loo here. There's no food. How are you guys managing?
1 lakh rupees, and we are still not sure that we will reach Pune or not.
What happened? Tell me, where did you take your flight
We
initially?
have taken flight from Khajuraho. So we were supposed to take flight from 2:30 from there. So there was a connecting flight from Khajuraho to Delhi and Delhi to Pune. So we came to Delhi and we got to know that the flight got cancelled. So Indigo, the employees, they have just booked a flight for 5:50 morning. So we were about to reach Pune 8:40 p.m. in the night, but they have booked a flight for 5:50 in the morning. So we were at an airport for almost the whole night with kid, and we didn't have our luggage as well because they have put up a luggage from Khajuraho to Pune directly.
Oh gosh. So luggage भी नहीं है, कोई communication next connecting flight का भी नहीं है, and you have a 5-year-old.
And then we again did the security check-in. There was no information on the board itself for that flight number. We went to the Delhi airport authority. They told us that this flight is being cancelled as well. No information is there. And then everybody is talking to them, at least give us our luggage. So till now, I do not have my luggage with me.
Your situation is one that even if you want to get out of this mess, go check into a hotel or whatever, you can't because your luggage is still there. You can't even leave the airport.
I have two situations now. Now I have booked a flight from other airlines. So as I said,
How much did that cost you?
approximately 70,000 from Delhi to Pune. So that's too much because I already have lost 30,000 earlier. Just 1 lakh for going from Khajuraho to Pune. That's too much of money lost, no response, and we are not sure that we are going to get our luggage now. So we have only two options. Either we get on the board for the other airline and get back to our home without our luggage, or we again go to the inside airport and keep searching for our luggage. So our flight is 8:30 p.m. but we are just coming at
Indigo
4
flight at 8:30?
No. I am done with Indigo now. So I have booked another flight now. So now 4 hours we will be searching our luggage now.
Done with Indigo now. Well, that's the sentiment over here.
Items we are going to lose, and a lot of kits of my medicines were there. Everything is there. Everything. I am just hoping that we get luggage, but inside my head I also feel that I am not going to get anything. So everything is lost now.